what we're going to do is we're going to look at the CAGED system and what it is, and we're going to look at the key of C today. So the CAGED system is based on the following chords, and what this is based on is a C chord, A chord, G chord, E chord, and a D chord. So if I move that up in the key of C, it would look like this. There's the C shape, the A shape, G shape, E shape, and then the D shape. Now, what they do is instead of doing C, A, G, E, D, a lot of times they'll just do it. Pattern 1 will be now C. Pattern 2 will be the A shape. The G shape will be now pattern 3. Pattern 4 will be the E shape. And then pattern 5 will be the D shape. So what this allows me to do, now a lot of my students, they don't have to know those shapes quite yet. So, but you can now know where every C is. So now I know. Let's try it slowly. That's every C. Okay, let's do that again so I can see the camera. Okay, and it just repeats after that. So the first one we're going to look at is pattern number 1. This will be the C shape. So pattern 1 is third finger on this string, the 3rd fret on the A string, and then the next part of that shape is, you have to memorize that is 1st fret on the B string. So we have this one, and then we have this one. Okay, so this is pattern 1. The next shape is pattern 2, based on the A chord shape. First finger will be on the 3rd fret. A lot of these are going to repeat, so you're going to, well, why am I doing this again? Because we have to just see what the pattern is, the shape is. So this would be the 3rd fret on the A string, and then we have the 5th fret on the G string. Those are both C's. We have C here and we have C here. It's like, so pattern 1 is this, and then up here, and pattern 2. Now pattern 3 is up here at the 8th fret, and I'm using my, again, you can just use your first finger, but I'm just doing the shape so you can see it. We go to the 8th fret on the big thick E string, and then pattern 3, the next one will be the 5th fret on the G string, which we played in pattern 2, and then to the 8th fret on the high E string, the thinnest string. So we have the big thick string, 8th fret, on the G string, 5th fret, and then on the high E string. Okay. The next one is pattern pattern 4, which is the E shape. We have the 8th fret on the big thick string, and then we have the D string, 10th fret, and then we have the high E string, 8th fret. So again, we have 8, 10, and 8. Next one is pattern 5. Pattern 5 goes 10 on the D string, and then on the B string, it'd be 13. So I have 8 and 13. Okay, so again, we have 3, and then 1. That's the first pattern, pattern 1. Pattern 2, 3, 5. Pattern 3, 8, 5, 8. 8 on the big thick string, 5 on the G string, thin string, a little bit out of tune there, 8. And then pattern 4, 8, 10 on the D string, 8 again. And then the final one will be pattern 5, 10, and then we have, we have 13. So you should be able to eventually be able to know where these all are. These are every C. Oops. Okay, so that is that, and that is the CAGED system, and that's the key of C so far. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.